teach me, Miss Sue. Wow, you're so incredible. Like, we see that you make it look so easy growing your agency. How do you do that?
So the secret is having a team. Yes, that's the secret. And I know sometimes when you're just getting started or you're just a couple of years and you may not have the funds to have a team yet. Because I remember when we first got started, we thought everything in our agency was going to fall in place. But we kind of struggle quite a bit because we were wearing so many hats. We're the janitors, the marketers, the schedulers, the owners, the caregivers, you name it, right? So, but today, one of the things that makes me so excited is because now we have artificial intelligence, AI, that we can use to take some of the tasks off of our hands. Yes, and the cool thing is a lot of the tasks that AI can do for you are marketing related. So that means once you get the AI to help you with your marketing, that means you can get more clients, you can bring in more revenue, and once you bring in more revenue, that means you have more funds to hire the team that you need to help you take your home care agency to the next level.
Thank you so much for your knowledge.